In the fast-paced world of manufacturing, boosting productivity without sacrificing quality is essential. Enter world-class manufacturing, a strategic approach integrating lean principles, continuous improvement, and ergonomics. And at the heart of WCM lies the golden zone. The golden zone is the ergonomically ideal area within a workstation, typically a 30-inch radius around the worker. It's where frequently used tools and materials are placed within easy reach, reducing unnecessary motion and enhancing safety. Let's look at the benefits of the golden zone in world-class manufacturing. First, it boosts productivity by cutting unnecessary movements, reducing cycle times by up to 40%. It enhances safety by minimizing physical strain and lowering injury-related absences. With fewer movements, it improves quality by reducing errors by around 20%. Plus, it raises worker satisfaction by reducing fatigue and increasing comfort. And finally, it saves costs by reducing labor time and healthcare expenses. By adopting this layout, manufacturing leaders can strengthen performance and foster a productive, worker-friendly environment. Want to learn more? Visit orcalean.com for deeper insights.